Hello friends, welcome to our new tutorial in Illustrator. Today we'll be creating overlapping text effect which will be editable. Now let me put a text here. Let's use overlapping text. Text effect. Okay, let's style this a bit. Let's select a script based font. This looks good. I'm keeping it around 372. Yeah, this is a good size. Let's take this color. This is also a nice color. And this maybe we can keep it as Montserrat and let's select a bold font. Let me keep it all caps. This will look even better. I think this will be perfect. Let me align it a bit. So now both are editable text. Previously, if we have to do something like line is overlapping inside another text or something like this, we would have to convert it to outlines and then make and delete this area and the remaining areas accordingly. But now we can make this overlapping effect using this editable text. So all you have to do is just select these two text, go to object, select intertwine and just say make. You will get this lasso kind of a cursor. I'll tell you how to use that. But before that, just see this. I'll zoom it a bit. If you roll over O, you'll get to see this gray shade line, which is basically overlapping of text. Similar way, here also you'll see this gray section on this black section. If you'll see this, there is a gray section. All this, wherever is the overlap, it will create a gray section. So if you click this gray area, you'll see this line is now overlapping the T. Similar way, you'll see this line of P that is also in gray area. We can click that and then we'll get this outside of F. So it looks like it's overlapping F. And we can keep this as it is just to build effect around this. And now this lasso tool, or so if you'll see here, it was a different cursor, but now if you want to use this lasso, so how you can do this? You can just see this is a, full overlapping G. If you click on this, entire thing gets visible. But we don't want this entire thing to be seen. So what we can do is we'll click this again. This will go back. And now what I'll do is I'll just select this line. So for that, you'll need this lasso tool. Click on this. Just be very careful and smoothly try to cover only the thin line. Now you'll see this is selecting only this part. If it didn't come well, click it again. Just select this line. Now if you'll see, this line has come really well. So this is how you'll get the overlapping text effect using Intertwine tool. If you want to edit this text, what you can do is just select this, go to Object, Intertwine and Release. Again, you can edit this area, can change this to anything. I'll change this to maybe dual. Align it accordingly. And then again, you can select these two, go to Object, Intertwine, Make, and then you can just click the overlapping effect. Click on the gray areas and the text behind this will be seen. This is how you can create overlapping effect. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.